How's it going, everybody? Dom Davis here with another episode of Secret of the Barbecue, and today we're going to be doing something a little different. We got a new Mortal Kombat movie coming out. Mortal Kombat's probably one of my favorite games of all time, so in honor of Mortal Kombat, let's make some really bloody, disgusting, gory ribs. Let's call them the Fatality ribs. Let's do it. Folks, remember to rub your meat. For the purposes of this recipe, I'm going to do a very nice and simple 3-ingredient rub because we are going to get a little bit more exotic when it comes to our sauce. So 3 ingredients for this rub are as follows: salt, pepper, paprika. That's it. 1 part salt, 2 parts pepper, about half a part of paprika. You could eyeball it. Nice and simple. Look at it. It looks like that sand dart that you had as a kid that like your sibling would come in and shake up and mess up on you. That's exactly what we're gonna do now. So now that our rub is done, we just gotta procure our ribs. Get over here! When it comes to your meat, don't skimp when it comes to quality. Find yourself a butcher, meat wholesaler. This product here, we actually procured from our friends over at the Meat Guys. They are a meat wholesaler that services the New York area, residential deliveries, and also restaurants. So let's get to working with it. Let's flip this bad boy over on presentation side down. Got some of our spice glue. Go ahead and rub it on the bottom side first. Oh yes, the nice mustard massage. Very relaxing. Alright, we got our rub. Now we're just gonna do a little shake, keep it a nice distance. Do a little just shaky downy. Flip over to our presentation side. A little bit more food glue. Massage it. Like it's a lost love. And little bit of rub. Little bit of rub. All right, ready to throw these bad boys on the smoker. Okay, so these have been going for 3 hours at 225, and we're ready for the next step. Next step I like to call our primer step. So what that means is we're going to be taking basically a diluted version of our final sauce, which is a Char Siu inspired sauce. See down below for the recipe. And we're going to just get to basting these, fold it on up, and let them go for another 3 hours. I generally do not like using food coloring, but this is Mortal Kombat, and we kind of got to get the aesthetic right. And mission accomplished, I think. Let's take a little paint brush. Oh, look at that blood spatter. Just call me Dexter. Flippy flip. Get your non-presentation side. All down that little canal. Oh yeah, this is exactly what I wanted to happen. It looks scary as all hell. All right, let's wrap up this crime scene. Remember to keep your foil matte side down, because science, you're gonna have some heat refraction. And you want the shiny side on the inside. Ready to go. Six-hour cook time in the books. Let's see how we did. Oh my. Oh, that's hot. Oh man. This is pretty gnarly. Yeah. It's Mortal Kombat. There's going to be a lot of blood. So I'm going to cut these up and sauce them in here. This sauce, as you can see, is messy as all hell. It's Mortal Kombat. It's blood. It's guts. It's fun. So... let's hack at it, brutality style. Okay, grab your sauce. And this thing is fucking gnarly. Fatality ribs, all set up and ready to go. Now I need somebody to just take a sample and let me know how I did. I need myself a meat simp. Where's my meat simp?
Just so you know, I object to the term meat simp. I prefer meat enthusiast.
I know you're enthused by meat. Have a taste and let me know how we did.
They look amazing. They're really good.
Yay! Thanks again for checking us out, folks. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and all the usual stuff. And again, a special thank you to our friends over at The Meat Guys for providing a very fine product for us. Their info is going to be linked to the video. Go ahead and check them out.